Okay, the next skill is a really short one, but it's one that GCSE exams love, which is looking at averages from a stem and leaf diagram. So just a recap of what a stem and leaf diagram is, it's always got a key, so it tells us that 2 with line 6 means 26 minutes. So you've got 26, 27, 29, all the way up to 52. Now, the fact that the data is already in order means that it really helps for finding the range, the mode, and the median. If you were asked to find the mean, you'd just need to add those all together and divide by however many data items there were, but they won't normally ask that from a stem and leaf diagram. So let's start by looking at the range of this data. So if I look, the smallest value there must be 26, 27, 29, goes up to the biggest value is 52. So the range is just going to be 52 take away 26, which gives me 26 minutes. Now, the mode, I'm just looking, what appears most often? Well, there's a 0 here that appears 3 times. Nothing else appears 3 times. So that 0 represents 3 0 is 30 minutes. So the mode equals 30 minutes. Now, when I'm looking at the median, I need to make sure that I'm really careful about how I count in from smallest to biggest and from biggest to smallest. So from biggest to smallest, I'm going to go right to left and up the stem and leaf diagram. From smallest to biggest, I'm going left to right and down the stem and leaf diagram. So my biggest value is 52, my smallest value is 26. I'm going to go up 1 to 27 and down 1 to 47. I've got 29 and 44. My next value is 30 and 41, 30 and 41. My next smallest value takes me up here to 38 and 30. Then I've got 31 and 35. So my median must be halfway between those two, 31 and 35. So remember how I find the median looking between two numbers? I can add them together and divide by 2, or I can just count what's halfway between 31 and 35. 31 plus 35 divided by 2 gives me 66 divided by 2, which is 33. Halfway between 31 and 35 would give me a median there of 33, and that's my median. Okay, pause the video now while you write down the worked example, and then when you're ready, unpause and you can have a go at a couple of quick questions yourself. Okay, so just 2 questions there for you to try. In both of them, can you calculate the range, the mode, and the median? For the first one, those are ages of people visiting an attraction. For the second one, those are points in a competition. Okay. Pause the video now while you write down the questions and have a go at solving them yourselves. Okay, hopefully we didn't find that too difficult. For the first one, your range was 55 take away 15, which is 40. The mode, you see lots of 7s here. There's 4 7s there, which gives you an age of 17. The median, when you count in, it lands on this 8 here, which is 28. For the second one, 96 and 54 are the largest and smallest respectively. The mode, here you can see you've got 3 7s in this row, so it's 87. And the median, when we count in, we've got 2 middle numbers, 75 and 77. Going halfway between those 2 middle numbers gives us a median of 76. Give yourself a mark, please, out of 6. If you need any assistance on this topic, please take a look at Hegarty clip number 432. Very well done.